Techno Industrial Products offers H827 Series 600 milliliter spray guns. These spray guns have special flow control to control the flow of air pressure in them. Nozzle sizes available are 1.4, 1.7, and 2.0. Pressure ranges 3 kg to 4 kg. All the features of these valves make them your excellent partner in automotive industry, spray paint system, small-scale industry, paint job, and many other DIY projects. Nozzle is of brass and needle is of stainless steel, and cup is special PP polypropylene material. Now, we are seeing working of these valves. As we give them air pressure and fill paint in top cup, it is ready to paint any surface with the click of the trigger. We can adjust flow of the paint, and also air pressure can be adjusted. Wonderful quality and affordable prices. Thanks for watching.